Have you ever tried to speak English in a real situation and suddenly felt stuck? Maybe you knew the words but couldn't make the sentence at the right time. Maybe you understood what the other person said but didn't know how to reply fast enough. Today's practice will help you break that problem. For the next half hour, you'll join a long, relaxed, natural conversation between two friends. You'll hear real phrases, real expressions, and real situations you face every day. Just listen, repeat, and let English flow into your mind. Welcome back to Learn and Success. In today's session, we're doing a full everyday English practice routine. This is a long conversation between Alex and Sam. They go through an entire day together from morning to night. They talk at home, at a store, at a cafe, while doing chores, meeting people, solving small problems, and ending the day peacefully. I'll guide you through different scenes. Every scene teaches useful daily English. Take your time, listen carefully, repeat when you feel comfortable. By the end, your confidence will grow naturally. Let's begin. Scene 1, Morning Wakes Minutes. It's early morning. The sun is just rising. Birds are making soft sounds outside the window. Alex, good morning, Sam. You're finally awake. Morning. Yeah, I woke up earlier, but I stayed in bed for a while. Why? Still tired? A bit. I slept late last night. Again? What kept you awake this time? My phone. I kept scrolling and watching random videos. You know that never helps. I know. It's a bad habit. I'm trying to fix it. You should keep your phone away from your bed. Leave it on the table. Maybe I should. It'll stop me from checking it every 2 minutes. Exactly. Anyway, are you hungry? Kind of. What are you making? Scrambled eggs. I'm thinking about adding some vegetables too. Sounds good. Can you make some for me as well? Sure. Do you want tea or coffee? Tea. Something warm would be nice. All right, give me a few minutes. Take your time. I'll wash my face. I feel fresh now. Your kitchen smells good. Breakfast is almost ready. Great. Let's sit and eat. Here you go. Thanks. So, any special plans today? Not really special, but I do have a few tasks. Like, I need to go to the bank, buy some groceries, pick up a parcel, and maybe call my cousin. That's a lot. I know. My to-do list is longer than I expected. You'll manage. You always do. Hopefully. Mini practice. Repeat after me. I woke up late. I slept late last night. I'm trying to fix this habit. Breakfast is almost ready. I have a long to-do list. Scene 2. Getting ready for the day. After breakfast, they start getting ready. Do you think I should wear something formal today? Why formal? I might stop by the office to drop some documents. Then semi-formal should work. Maybe jeans and a clean shirt. Good idea. Are you taking your bike or walking? I'll walk. The weather looks nice. True. It's bright but not too hot. What about you? What's your plan? I'll work on my project for a few hours, then maybe go to the gym in the evening. You're going regularly these days? Trying to. It keeps me active. I should start going too. Start with small steps. Even a short walk is good. You're right. I'll add that to my routine. Mini practice. Should I wear something formal? The weather looks nice. I'll go for a walk. Start with small steps. Scene 3, at the grocery store. Sam enters a small store. Good morning. How can I help you? Hi, I'm looking for bread. It's in aisle 4, right side. Thanks. And do you have almond milk? Yes. Aisle 7, top shelf. Great, I'll grab it. I also need rice, let me ask. Excuse me, where is the rice? Aisle 2, bottom section. Got it, thanks. A little later. Can I get one bag, please? Sure. Did you find everything? Yes, thank you. Your total is 540 rupees. Here's cash. Here's your change. Have a nice day. You too. Mini vocabulary practice. Aisle, shelf, bag, total change. Scene 4. Meeting an old friend on the street. As Sam leaves the store, someone calls out, Sam, is that you? Ria? Wow, long time. I know. It's been at least 2 years. How have you been? I'm doing well. I'm working in marketing now. That's great. You always wanted that. Yeah, what about you? Still exploring different things, trying new projects. Sounds fun. A little stressful, but fun. By the way, do you still live nearby? Yes, just a few blocks away. Nice. I moved recently, so I hardly see anyone I know. Happens, but it's good to bump into old friends. Absolutely, I'd love to meet again. Sure, message me anytime. Will do, I'm in a hurry now. Talk soon. Take care. Mini practice, long time no see. How have you been? I'd love to meet again. Dash scene 5. At the bank. Sam enters the bank. Good afternoon. What do you need? I need to update my passbook. Counter number 3. Hello. How may I help you? I want to update my passbook. Sure. Hand it to me. Done. Anything else? Yes. I also want to ask about online banking. Do you want to activate it? Yes. I'll need your ID. It'll be active in 24 hours. Great. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Act scene 6 at a cafe minutes. Sam meets Alex for a break. Hi, what can I get you? 1 cappuccino, please. I'll take a black coffee and 1 muffin. Sure. Anything else? No, that's it. I ran into Ria today. Really? After how long? 2 years. What did you both talk about? Just work and life. She's doing well. That's good. By the way, how's your project? Slow. I keep losing focus. What part is difficult? Staying consistent. I start strong, then get distracted. Happens to everyone. Maybe set small goals. True. I'll try that. Here you go. Thanks. They talk more. Do you ever feel overwhelmed? All the time, but taking small breaks helps. I should try that too. Don't push yourself too hard. You're right. Scene 7, chores and laundry talk. They walk back home. I still have laundry to do. Same here. I hate folding clothes. I hate ironing. We all have our weaknesses. At least laundry smells nice when done. True. Later at home. Do you separate dark and light clothes? Always. I learned the hard way. Same. I once turned a white shirt pink. Let me guess. Red t-shirt? Yep, classic mistake. Class scene 8, evening walk and small talk. They go for an evening walk. Nice evening, not too windy. Perfect weather. Do you like evening walks? Yeah, they help clear my mind. I walk to relax after work. I walk to think. What do you think about? Life, plans, random things. Same, walking helps me solve problems. They pass a park. Look at that family playing. Kids have so much energy. I miss being a kid sometimes. Me too, no responsibilities. Just homework and cartoons, the good old days. They continue walking. By the way, did you watch the movie I told you about? Not yet. Watch it tonight. You'll like it. Maybe I will. Scene 9, night routines. Back home. I'm tired? Same. Long day. I still have an email to send. Do it now or you'll forget. Done. Good. Now relax. I think I'll watch a movie. I'll read a book. Sounds peaceful. Yeah. A few minutes later. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. You too. Great job today. You listened to a full day of natural English conversation. These are the phrases people use every single day. Repeat the scenes whenever you want. Practicing like this helps you think in English and respond without hesitation. If you want more long conversations like this, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching Learn and Success. See you in the next session.